Sa-2S-35 Coalition SV is a Russian 152mm artillery system, made on the basis of the T-90 tank. The installation, in some respects, is better than the advanced NATO developments. Firing range up to 70 kilometers and ammunition up to 70 rounds. The installation uses an automatic fire control system with the ability to control the projectile after release from the barrel. Coalition SV can hit the target simultaneously with several projectiles fired along different flight paths. In terms of the degree of automation, the Russian self-propelled gun has no equal. The American Paladin 1097 and the German PZH 2000 are inferior to it. The machine is deeply automated. It is worth pressing the start button and the onboard system will make the calculations itself and turn and raise the gun in the right direction, and the robot will start feeding shells. In one of the modifications, the machine was produced with two twin barrels from there and the name Coalition went on, but later they switched to the version with a single barrel. The installation is assembled according to the type of modules and includes three of their types: control, combat, power. The fighting compartment without a crew is fully automated. Three crew members are located in a separate compartment and the commander conducts fire control remotely. The self-propelled gun is equipped with navigation and surveillance devices, which allows you to work at any time of the day and at any temperature. The main projectiles are high explosive fragmentation, rocket, smoke, and lighting projectiles can also be used. Characteristics: classification, interspecific artillery system, combat weight 48 tons, highway speed 60 kilometers per hour, power reserve 420 kilometers, base ammunition 70 rounds, caliber and brand of the gun 152 millimeters 2A88, trunk length about 8 m, firing range up to 70 kilometers. Engine diesel. Engine power 1000 L. Width. Crew 3 people. An important point: the Coalition kit can be installed on Caterpillar traction, wheel traction, and also as a separate module on ships. There is also a drawback. Because in terms of deployment speed it is inferior to many analogs. This is a minute and a half, and curtailment in a minute.